Education Minister Rakame Sangma on Thursday informed that Cuet will be rescheduled for students allotted centres outside the state and they will be given another opportunity to write the examination. Briefing media persons, the Education Minister said that the Union Ministry of Education has directed the National Testing Agency to reschedule the Cuet entrance test for Meghalaya students.
Inform to all the students of the state, those who are going to appear for CUT examination, so we have informed by the Ministry and the NTA, the Honorable Chief Minister, and the government has taken up the matter with the Ministry. We have been informed that for those affected students, in view of the center allotment in Ranchi and other parts of the country, will be rescheduled, and they will be given another opportunity to appear for the CUT examination this